Hi everybody, welcome to the World of Micah. Today we're going to be at EPCOT. Now, let's take a closer look. Legit had to park in the furthest row, all the way down. It's not the extra steps, it's I got to get to the park. That's the drag. Yeah, that's right. The Ghostbusters are here. I always love to see this right here. Carton Walker. The opening day plaque. Let's go inside. Been watching a lot of early footage of Epcot lately. I love this park. About as much as that lady loves to laugh. That was awesome. Oh, Epcot Center.
The World of Micah. Let's take a closer look.
Test track was a little wonky this time. We stopped like several times. Let's go visit our friends, the 3 Caballeros.
No submechanophobia on this one.
Now I found this photo that I gotta show you guys, and it's like right over here. You can see really how much this back area has changed since they've converted over to the World Celebration area. I'm gonna zoom out and show you guys. Yeah, this has changed a whole heck of a lot, this area. Right? Starting to see more of that Epcot symbol popping up. And I was just thinking about how the Creation Shop is literally like the only original building from the Communicore era. That's it. And I'm gonna go pick this up while I'm here. Picked it up, Stitch. I like it. Well, mission accomplished here at Epcot. Wanted to ride Test Track one more time and 3 Caballeros, and now we're gonna head over to Hollywood Studios for a bit. And as I walk out, I was just thinking how excited I was when they put these spires back here back. Like, when they put this back in the park, I was so stoked. All right, gonna walk back to my car and meet them over at Hollywood Studios. There's the monorail. Now I gotta make the trek. And they're riding the Skyliner, my friends who I'm with, they're riding the Skyliner over to Hollywood Studios. I'm gonna drive because when I finish, I'm heading home. But they're gonna do the Skyliner, they've been doing monorail, like they're doing this whole thing. It's kind of cool. Oh yeah, I can show this Ghostbusters vehicle off. That's pretty cool, right? It's decked out. Ghostbusters. Sometimes when the wind is just right, you can hear the little twinkle sound that comes from aboard the Skyliner here. I just heard it. By the way, I never really got to talk about my experience with the 35th anniversary. And all in all, it was such a fun morning. As the day progresses, the hype dies down at all of these celebrations. But the morning, there's a vibe, there's a hype, there's a want, like, it's really cool. And then as the day progresses, like I said, it just kind of dies down, and that's what happened. But I had a great time. I got to meet Bob Weiss. I got to meet him. It was amazing. Got to meet so many of you who watch my videos. I got to have lunch with some friends and Mama Melrose. It was cool. It was a really cool day. But it's my first time back since the 35th. So we'll see what it looks like, you know, after. Do they still have the commemorative maps? Was it only for that day? Do they still have merchandise? Let's kind of take it in. And it's one of the hottest days so far today. Honestly, that sun is pretty brutal. And it's also close to 5 o'clock, which is when it gets really hot. And then all of a sudden it rains, which is not going to rain today, but in the summertime it'll rain. And then it gets cool. It's a great time to go to the parks. If you guys are not going to rope drop, go to the park and then go in the afternoon. It's awesome. All right, let's head inside the park. Let me tell you something, Bo. I don't know how you're doing it out here in the long sleeve and the pants. It's hot, buddy, but that looks delicious. Now the dark room is home to pin trading and everything, so let's see if they have anything left in the 35th. Yep, they have the Mickey right here, the 35th Mickey, among other ones. There's one for Mother's Day. See, I only thought the Art of Disney on Demand was at Disney Springs, but it's here at Hollywood Studios too. You can order different art pieces. That's awesome. I have to show that every single time. Cute. This is my favorite scene. I love this. Such a huge showroom too. There it is. Smasher. Perfect.
Picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong!
That was fun. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway never gets old. But now I'm heading out, and I'll be honest with you guys, I almost did not film today. Some of you regulars may have been noticing that I've been putting out a lot more content lately, almost daily, but I'm not saying that. Because it could change tomorrow. I could, you know, just not have a video, or, you know, life happens and everything, but I've been trying my best to release a video almost every day if I can the last week or so. And yeah, some of them are going to be long, some of them are going to be random, you know. I'm just figuring if I release more videos, it'll keep you guys more on my radar of what's going on. And who knows, I might start bringing you guys with me when I do things other than theme parks. But I'm walking to the far end of this studio parking lot. This was a fun day. Glad you guys got to tag along. See you on the next episode. Stay weird. Goodbye.